After we have successfully unpacked and set our Uhlmann giant umbrella, here comes the best part.
Exactly. Now it's time to open it. First of all, we remove the securing strap from the umbrella. Next, we take the supplied winding handle and put it in the crank hole. Now we crank the parasol up clockwise up to the stop screw. The stop screw is on the crank side at the top of the parasol telescope. As soon as we feel a resistance, we know that the parasol is fully open.
To save some time and effort, pick up a cordless screwdriver with a crank pin. We set it to screwing level 1 and use it turning slowly and carefully. Slight vibrations during the opening process, especially when using a cordless screwdriver, are quite normal and completely harmless. Halfway open, we remove the blue transport protection profile attached to every U-piece on the arms.
The speed should then be reduced shortly before reaching the stop screw. We then always make the last few turns with the winding handle.
Now that we are almost there, we make sure that the umbrella is correctly aligned with the edges of the building and the other umbrellas. If necessary, we turn it into the right position.
When it's all good, we tighten the clamp screw at the top of the upper sleeve hand tight. And the counter screws in the middle a bit more than finger tight.
Any folds in the fabric will disappear over the next few days due to the tension of the fabric and the influence of rain and sun.
To close the umbrella, we simply turn it anti-clockwise until it's fully closed. When the weather's bad, the individual fabric segments should always be pulled out between the umbrella arms properly. We wrap them around the frame in one direction and secure it with the supplied securing strap.
Although this process is a bit more effortful, it helps us to preserve the appearance of the canopy and significantly reduce wear from rubbing and flapping.
So it's worth it, and now we hope you have fun in the shade of your Uhlmann umbrella.
Bye, see you soon.